Let us look at three very important pronouns, den, det, and de. So how do we use them? Here is an example. Hvor er katten? Den sitter under bordet. Where is the cat? It is under the table, or it's sitting under the table. Well, katten is masculine. You see it ends on n, and I will replace this word with a pronoun den. Katten, den. Hvor er katten? Den sitter under bordet. Almost the same about feminine. Well, hvor er matpakka? You know, everything that is feminine can also be used as masculine. I could say matpakken, and in this case, again, I will use den. Den er I sekken. For neutral, hvor er glasset? Glasset is neutral, and I will replace it with the word det. Det står på bordet. Glasset, det. And for plural, logically, hvor er nøklene? Where are the keys? Well, the keys are plural, it's they. De ligger på bordet. They are on the table. So, to sum it up, you see, we use den in order to replace masculine and feminine words, like en katt, katten, den, en stol, stolen, den, en kopp, koppen, the same. And also for feminine. Ei bok, boka, can also be replaced with a pronoun den. Ei skje, skjea, ei lampe, lampa, everything will be den. Neutral words, et glass, glasset, et bilde, bilde, et skap, skapet will be replaced with det. And plural words like katter, kattene, bøker, bøkene, bilder, bildene, we will replace them with pronoun de. And just a little bit more that I want to tell you about the pronoun det. Det can be used as an impersonal subject or impersonal object, like in this sentence. Hvordan går det? How is it going? How's your life going? How's everything going? So this det here can mean a lot of things. Hvordan går det? And the same in the answer. Det går bra. It's going well. Everything's going well. My life's going well. Det snør ute. It's snowing outside. So again, it's impersonal subject, det in this sentence. Det å lære språk er ikke lett. It is not easy to learn a language. And again, we have an impersonal grammatical subject, det. Jeg forstår at hun ikke kan komme I kveld. I understand that she cannot come tonight. Well, this whole subordinate sentence I can also replace with a pronoun det. Jeg forstår det. So these are the functions of the pronouns den, det og de.